What if you could make an extra $500 to $1,000 a month without quitting your job and without needing a big budget? Today, I'm giving you 5 easy side hustles you can start immediately. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real income ideas that actually work in 2025. Welcome to Wealth Wisdom Daily, where we turn practical strategies into lasting income. If you're looking to boost your cash flow or start building financial freedom, you're in the right place. And if you want a clear roadmap for building wealth long-term, check out the course linked in the description. Freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. If you can write, edit, design, build websites, or even transcribe audio, you can make money online. Fiverr and Upwork let you offer your skills to a global audience. Start small. Offer a simple service for $10 to $20. Once you get reviews, you can raise your price. Even 1 or 2 clients per week could bring in $200 to $500 per month. It's flexible. It's remote. And you don't need a degree, just a skill. Print-on-demand products. You create a simple t-shirt or mug design. Sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful do the printing and shipping. You keep a cut of every sale. No inventory. No upfront cost. Use Canva to make basic text designs. Market them on Instagram, Pinterest, or even TikTok. This is passive once set up. And with just a few viral products, you could earn a few $100s a month. Digital products on Etsy. If you know how to use Canva, PowerPoint, or Excel, you can create digital downloads. Planners, budget trackers, templates, resume kits, all of these sell on Etsy. People buy them because they solve a problem. And once it's created, you can sell it over and over again. Many sellers make $500 to $2,000 per month passively with just 5 to 10 well-made listings. Tutoring or coaching online. If you're good at a school subject, a language, or a skill like coding, music, or graphic design, offer your help. Websites like Wyzant, Cambly, or even Zoom let you teach from home. You can charge $15 to $50 per hour depending on the topic. Start with friends or community groups, then branch out. Even 2 sessions per week could bring in $400 or more per month. Flipping used items. Buy underpriced items locally, on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or at garage sales. Then resell them online at a higher price. You can flip electronics, books, tools, even furniture. It takes some hustle, but the margins can be huge. Buy something for $20. Clean it up. Sell it for $60. Do that 5 times a week? That's an extra $800 per month. If any of these sound like something you could try, pause and write it down. The biggest mistake people make is watching without acting. And if you want help building a long-term financial game plan, check the course link in the description. Here's how to pick the right one for you. Choose what fits your time. Only have weekends free? Try flipping or digital products. Choose based on skill or interest. If you like creating, try print-on-demand or Etsy. Try one, not all. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start small. Scale later. The most profitable side hustle is the one you actually stick with. Want to earn more faster? Here's the formula. Start low ticket. Build trust. Then increase your value. For example, start with a $10 gig. Deliver it fast. Get 10 reviews. Then raise it to 30. Soon you're earning triple with no extra work. Almost every successful side hustle starts small, but over time momentum multiplies. Let's recap. Freelance your skills. Sell simple designs. List digital downloads. Offer tutoring. Flip undervalued products. Each one of these can make you real money and eventually even replace your job. So which side hustle will you try first? Drop your answer in the comments. I read and reply to as many as I can. And if you want to turn this into a full wealth-building plan, check out my beginner-friendly investing course in the description. This is Wealth Wisdom Daily. Subscribe for more money tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.